So when you think of that human connection and bond, it moves me. You know, I'm very much, I'm a person that looks towards community. I feel that the work on queering motherhood, and mothering matters because it's going to invite conversations that are important to have at this moment. Hopefully, it will also invite more questioning, and through the questioning, you build community. My name is Talia Molé, and I am an alumni of the Department Anthropology and Social Change at CIIS. I am an artist and activist scholar. We are in a moment in time where, yes, we have the ability to reconstruct, recreate, shift, reimagine our narratives, and we have to, we have to take that moment, we have to grab it, and we have to go with it. I am not here to tell anyone's story. I'm not here basically to impose an idea. Rather, I join an idea, right? And I join a movement if I can. Basically, the research focuses on contesting the dominant narrative around motherhood, mothering, that is centered on a specific figure. And this figure is seen as one that is legitimate. And this figure is white, cisgendered, heterosexual. So I do that by bringing in conversations that are marginalized, that are othered, and those conversations stem within the LGBTQ community, particularly in Miami, Florida, where we focused on abstracting motherhood, mothering, and the House Ballroom community, where I focused on the figure of the mother. So what I did in the autoethnographies, for example, the one I did in Miami, Florida, we wrote a poem. And it was a poem that I wove with all the audio that we did. So I listened to hours and hours of audio, and I picked a sentence from each person, and I wove it into a poem that became the autoethnography. We can now reconstruct stories in a way that matter to us, that actually serve us properly. I didn't see myself in a lot of the readings, even though that wasn't something that my professors, did on purpose. It was just, I kind of felt, well, where's my voice in this? And if this is academia, why am I not seeing a reflection of my experience in this? And what I really liked about what my professors invited was, okay, well, that's your introduction. Bring in your voice. Have the courage to do something that says, okay, I wasn't seen and now I am. I feel that in many ways, my time at CIIS gave me the necessary language, the necessary tools, and the courage to question those things that I felt were not only oppressive to me, but to others. And so in that search for the other, I found a very big community, bigger than I could have ever imagined. Wow, and I get emotional thinking about that. So yeah, it's beautiful. I'm very utopian. I do believe in utopias, and not necessarily as a destination, but as an inspiration. I don't know what will happen between this point and the utopia that I'm looking towards, but if I can at least look at it like a North Star to inspire me, I think the future it's there for it to be beautiful. Si